Hello dear friends, I hope everybody will be fine. Today I will explain 18 by 37 square feet area. This is total G plus 1 story building which I came here. Total this one for the G plus 1 story building. Total number of column is 9. Number of column is 9. Four column is right side in 5 columns is left side. Just see here, this is a concrete pouring, that one is a mesh. This labor is working, they pour the concrete inside of the foundation. This is a 1.5 depth of the foundation is 1.5 G plus 1 story building. This one, see here, I will show you this one. See here, that is a mesh. See, that is a mesh, but inside of the mesh they use a dug leg. Here they use the number of the column 8. 4 corner bar or main reinforcement or longitudinal bar is a 16 mm dia and 12 mm diameter of the 4 bars corner or face bars. Here, see here, they use this one. This still is a 16 mm dia. This is also 16. This is also 16, and that is also 16. But this cars is this bars is a 12 4 bars. This face bars. This one. The diameter of the lateral ties is 8 mm. This one. This is a 8 mm. See here, the mesh. They use inside the dug leg. The dug leg length is 300 mm minimum, but we are use 16 into tau. Tau is the diameter of the main reinforcement. See here, this is the G plus 1 story building, 18 by 37 square feet area. This is a for the residential building. They used here 2 bedroom, 1 kitchen, 1 hall. For the concrete pouring, M20 grade they used. M20 grade. The labor is working here. But they did some mistake. But what should we do? Instead that there is a mesh. Inside we should make one wood to inside, to not going to outside to the that concrete. We should do it that one. This is the mistake, big mistake by the labor. This is the wasting of concrete. See here, wasting of concrete. We should do some shuttering to all corners. This column position is also we should do it at the center. See here, it should be the center position, center of the boundary wall. This is the column also. See here, that is the toilet portions. This area, toilet. Number of columns is 9. 4 is right side in 4, 5 is left side. But we should we know about 8 bars is a longitudinal bar, 16 mm diameter. 4 bars is 12 mm diameter. That is also face bars. G plus 1 story building for the residential. But one mistake I will show you, dear people. Here, the hooks should be bent up this lateral ties at an angle of 90. At an angle of 90. I will show you here. This is a big mistake. We should crank this at an angle of 135. They provide a 90 degree. See here, In one more point I will tell you, the hooks should be we provide at a different portions. Like see here, this one, this is another one, another is that corner, another is another corner, like different positions we should use the hook length. But the hook should be provided at angle of 135 degree. I explain in so many videos these points, but we should not do these mistake again and again. Be careful with these mistake. The distance between the lateral ties at the level of L by 4 or L by 3 distance, we should minimum we should provide a minimum. The minimum distance between two lateral ties is this one. This is also called pitch distance or lateral tie distance. Should be 150 mm minimum. This is called a pitch distance. This is called a pitch distance. Main reinforcement 16 mm diameter, 12 mm 4 bars, 12 mm diameter of bars. They use a 550 grade of steel. See here. See 550. They use a 550 grade of steel. Grade of steel is 550, but grade of concrete is M20. Dear people, this is a short video. I hope to subscribe my channel and also share with bell icon. Thank you.